Whooping cough is a bacterial infection affecting the respiratory system and can be treated with antibiotics available on the island. The infection is most prevalent among children. The Ministry of Health has launched its immunization program amid reports of 2 confirmed cases. Health officials say parents with children who are fully immunized need not panic. The ministry says the disease is preventable.
There are smaller pockets where persons, for whatever reason, may not have ensured that their children are fully vaccinated, whether they have received any vaccine at all or whether they have actually completed the course necessary.
Children who are not fully immunized would require 4 doses of vaccines. Health officials say the population is at low risk, but that should not be taken for granted. They are not anticipating a huge outbreak of whooping cough. They say most children are fully immunized.
With the herd immunity, what that means is that once a greater number of our population is vaccinated, then the smaller percentage, that larger percentage will provide some protection to the general population. And when I say that percentage, I'm talking about the between 80 to 95%.
Symptoms of the disease include fever and running nose. The ministry is embarking on the immunization project to ensure that no child is left out. Vaccines will be administered daily at all health centers across the island during the regular opening hours. The ministry will be going a step further to target daycare centers to nip the problem in the bud. The ministry is also calling on the public to be vigilant.
Because during the periods of cough, the child may be breathless and may turn a dull, dusky color, which is called cyanosis. After this phase, which usually lasts about a week to 2 weeks, which is usually the time when parents seek medical attention, that child goes into the last phase, which is where the situation resolves. The cough becomes a lot less, the fever decreases, and the child is able to breathe better.
The campaign will go on until health officials are satisfied that they have left no stone unturned. The project is being undertaken in collaboration with the Pan American Health Organization. For the DBS News World, I am Don Nicholas.